everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we got a real treat for you, man. This is a just stunning 1957 Ford Ranchero, and I'm telling you, it is killer. Finished in flame red. It's got the two-tone red and white interior, and I'm telling you, gorgeous, gorgeous car. My buddy Scott's the one who found this car for me. It's out of North Carolina. It's got 1,400 miles on a complete frame-up restoration, and it's hard to nitpick, guys. It is beautiful, gorgeous paint. The chrome and stainless is nice. The car drives excellent. And I believe this is the first one of these I've ever owned in 57. Again, chrome and stainless is excellent on it. It's got a great stance. It hits the road excellent. 390 underneath the hood. It's got an AOD, automatic overdrive transmission, disc brakes, power steering. But the only thing you can say is it doesn't have air. But I'm not a real air guy anyways. But great car. Truck. I don't know what you actually call these things. SUV, I guess this would be your original sport utility vehicles. But beautiful flame red paint. I seen one little touch-up mark there. Great body lines on this thing. I love the front fenders, the side. I got a wagon here too right now, and both just high quality restorations, just great cars. Again, slick paint. Really nicely done. You can see the padded dash in there. It's got tinted glass. Look how nice this trim is here. Again, you can pick it a little, but I bet you can't buy that new. That's about as nice as you're gonna find. Beautifully finished bed. Again, I love the lines. And you want to talk about a conversation piece. People love stuff like this. Matter of fact, my wife and I were at a show this weekend, and I was actually, we were actually looking at a 50 Buick, and I was telling her how much I like the car because you just don't see them. Stuff like this, you just don't. You go to a car show, there's not going to be 10 of them pull in there next year. Fit and finish is great. Killer car. I love the taillights on these things. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. "17-inch chrome Ridlers all the way around it. Yeah, you can open that, and then go ahead and open this door. Jordan's on vacation. We got Dale, breaking Dale in for a video. Front disc brakes. Again, great running 390, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, power steering. You can see they got the aluminum radiator in there with the electric fan, stock exhaust manifolds. HEI distributor. It's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Again, automatic overdrive transmission. Chrome, lots of chrome underneath here. Neat car. I think the only thing not working on it is the wipers. I dig this car, man. And like I say, great driver. A lot of fun to hit the road in. The A-pillar chrome's nice. A little bug splatter there on the mirror. Mirror's nice. Door handle, they've replaced all that stuff. Again, look how slick that red paint is too. It's got a pleated red and white interior. Now factory, this was a red and white interior car. I think they call it Colonial and Flame, but the pleats are different. They've done a custom interior in this. Ididit tilt column with a billet steering wheel. Headliner's nice. It's got an aftermarket Dolphin gauge cluster in there. 1442 on the odometer now. Inside hood release, which is down here. Heater works. It's got an Audiosounds radio in it. It works. Dual exhausts. It's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. 9-inch rear end. It's got a 350 posi rear. Look how nice that is. See if I can do this with one hand. Click shut. And again, that bed is really nice. That rear is just super cool, man. I love the Fords at night when you come up on them are pretty cool with those tail lights. Clean underneath. New door rubbers. New sill plates. It's got some speakers mounted here behind the seat. Seat's really nice. Padded dash. Like I say, really just a cool car. Really hits the road good. See if I can do this, Dale, one-handed. Again, the fit and finish is excellent. Love the body style. Gauges are all functional. Again, I know little turn signal lights in here, that all works. Hit your brakes, Dale. Yep. Turn signals work. Give it a little rev. Radio works. Yep. Heater works. Like I say, the wipers are not working. I'll have Steve check them. I'm not real sure if the wiper motor's even available on this. Pull your headlights out. Whew. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Well, I love that car right there. That's a pretty son of a gun.